Alright, we got a 2014 Chevrolet Camaro. It's the LS, which is the V6. I'm going to be swapping out the lamp bulbs with LEDs, both the tail lights, and then we're going to do the front on another video. So basically, you could either use a flathead screwdriver or one of these. I'm going to just pop these three right up here. Pull it out. There's one. You got three of them. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. Alright. Sorry, it's pretty cold in Indiana, so got the runny nose going. Okay. Here's 2. Let me just slide it under. This makes it a little easier. I mean, it's not that difficult with a flathead. Alright, so we get all 3 of those. I'll put that there. Alright, then we'll take this out. Alright, so you got your reverse light and you got 2 lamps here. So we're going to do the 2 lamps, and then I'm going to get some reverse lights first. But as you can see, they are, there's one in the corner there. And all you're going to do is twist and pull it out and then unplug it. And then we got one right there. You're going to just twist it, pull it out. Just like that. And I'm going to just pull that out. And you just basically see like the back, it's got that double tip. So you can match them up and see they're pretty much the same size. And it's got that double plug that focuses. There we go. Just like that one. Alright, and now we're going to just plug it in. Let's see if I can get this to stay real quick. Probably need to get like a tripod for this first. So it's pretty easy and basic. Let me just plug that in. Now it's just plugged right in. Now we're gonna just put it back in there. It's tight in there. And you just like pull on it, make sure it's not coming loose. Looks like it's counterclockwise for that. And so now we're gonna do this. It's kind of hard to show you this. It's all the way in the back. Gotta move this. There's like a little wire there. Now we're gonna pull this one out. Get this wire out of the way. Takes a little finicking. Alright, so we got it out. And now I just unplug that. Pull it a little so you can see it. There we go. Let me put this right here. Yeah, it's real hard to film because so we're gonna just unplug it, leave that there. And we're gonna just plug that right in. It just clicks right in. And we're gonna just put it back in. and it just clicks in. Now I'm going to put on the brake lights real quick so we can see the difference. These still got the lamps in them. These are going to have the LED. Now it is daytime. Let's see. There's the LEDs coming on. They definitely don't look as bright. Yeah, they are not as bright as the lamps. I don't know if it's just because of, well, no, it's not as light. So no, I'll wait till nighttime, see the difference. Clearly the lamps are brighter. Maybe I got them in backwards, so let me check.